Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to shop at the Fortune Store owned by NPC Doris during the Meteor Shower in Heartopia, like this. The Fortune Store is only available to NPC Doris, and Doris doesn't appear all the time. This only shows up during the special weather like rain, snow, meteor showers like now, or rainbows. And during a meteor shower, Doris will appear randomly on the map, so make sure to explore and move around. Usually, Doris spawn in the same area where the starfall shard appear during the meteor rain. And once you find Doris, just tap on her and select the Fortune Store like this. And then here you can find special and limited items, including unique meteor themed furniture. Like in this meteor event, the Fortune Store features bathroom furniture with meteor theme like this. And to buy them, you need to exchange meteors or starfall shards that you have collected around the area. Make sure you have enough meteors before shopping because you can also get unique furniture and emotes here. So just good luck and happy hunting in Heartopia. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!